is Mani. Welcome with Rcare, and today we're gonna learn
Genitive prepositions.
So this is very important topic, and this is the starting topic of 2. You're gonna find a lot of examples in this video. Apart from this, please, if you have any question related to Germany, related to free education in Germany, you're most welcome to contact us. You can call us, you can write an email, you can WhatsApp us. We will be really happy to help you out. We do not provide the classes in a group. In a group of 10-15 students, we just keep a individual track which will help you out to clear up the papers. Thank you.
Temporale und Genitive Prepositionen. Temporal and Genitive Prepositions. What is temporal preposition? Temporal prepositions are related to time and answer questions like when and for how long. There are many temporal prepositions in German, many of which we have already learned in A1 level. Now we are going to learn temporal prepositions with dative, which are for, which means before in English, and nach, which means after in English. With genitive, we have one preposition, that is während, which means during in English. Let's see some examples. Vor dem Umzug muss sie Sachen packen. Before the relocation, she has to pack things. Here, we are using for with the noun Umzug and the article in dative case, because for and nach are dative prepositions. Nach dem Umzug muss sie Sachen auspacken. After the relocation, she has to unpack things. Nach is also a dative preposition. Während des Films hat sich etwas zu trinken gekauft. During the film, he bought something to drink. Now, während is a genitive preposition, and that's why we have used the article des and the extra ending with film, that is s. We use these prepositions only with nouns. Now, let's see what are genitive prepositions. Genitive prepositions are those which take object in genitive case, or they simply require nouns in genitive case. There are many genitive prepositions in German, but now we are going to learn wegen, which means due to or because of. Trotz, which means despite or in spite of. Innerhalb, which means within, and außerhalb, which means outside or beyond. Let's look at the examples. Das Spiel wurde wegen des Regens verschoben. The game was postponed due to the rain. Now, since wegen is a genitive preposition, I have used the article des. Next example. Trotz der Warnung ist sie in den Fluss gesprungen. Despite the warning, she jumped into the river. Another example of genitive preposition with a feminine noun. Ich muss die Miete innerhalb eines Monats bezahlen. I have to pay the rent within a month. This within can be used with the place constraint as well. Here we are just showing the time constraint. For example, within 1 month, we could have also used examples with places. For example, children should play within the ground. Next example, die Eltern müssen außerhalb der Klasse bleiben. The parents have to stay outside the class. So I hope the example is clear to you. We can not only use them with time constraint but also with places constraint. I hope the topic is clear to you. Thank you.